What is up, everyone? How are you doing? Today is a gorgeous day. I'm so excited to be down at the shop. Today's cool. LZ is actually coming down with the 32 today. Me and B Hall are gonna help situate his whole turbo setup. Gonna work some B Hall magic on his engine bay. If you guys keep up on LZ stuff, you know his turbo has been hitting a strut tower, so we're gonna try and fix that. So I'm pumped to have Adam down here and do some more fun stuff on the 32. But for me, I got a few things to do today that we have to get done. Just gotta figure out what it is. We got LZ in the house.
We're doing big things today.
Big things.
We're gonna break the 600 mark. That is if Jamie's around, which he probably isn't. We're gonna take steps required to break the 600 mark.
That sounds good to me.
Yeah. We're just gonna paint stuff, to be honest.
Yeah, that's true. And hammer things and cut things.
Yeah, and do rad
B-Hall things. I'm excited. All right, let's let this thing cool down and we'll take it apart and go from there. You get coffee yet?
Kinda. It's not really the best.
You want more?
I can't freaking.
Well, in the meantime, I'm finally washing the Z because it's covered in dust, dirt, grease, oil, and bird poop. So we got a Drew 2 with Brewski.
Out here.
Living the dream.
Got that orange on
Living
deck.
your best life.
That's it.
Look at this poor engine.
He's gonna paint it. So RJ has been de-rusting and cleaning the short block, and he's gonna paint it. Right? You picked the color yet?
It looks like a pile of Duke right now. Oil paint, not even holding a piece of flat cardboard.
No, we're good. I'm gonna paint this anyways.
Why would you paint the aluminum oil paint?
My other one is black.
RJ, just do you.
I'm doing me.
You kind of just jumped the gun here.
Why does Brian gotta yell at me all the time? Hey, B Hall!
There's more paint in the air than there is on that engine block. You better not get over my car.
Hey, why don't you shut the fuck up?
Why don't you go push your piece of shit engine over in the woods and paint it over there where it belongs? Fight me, bitch. I'm not scared. What are you gonna do, tickle me?
All right, RJ. Well, I'm happy you're getting overspray on literally everything we own.
What are you talking about? Well, I'm getting overspray on the black vehicle. That doesn't even matter. You don't drive it. Who cares?
Get out of here.
You want me to push it farther away? There we go.
Yeah, push it in the corner. Yeah, put it next to the hard body. It might make it look better. Jump the gun, so it could show before and after, but
I can't keep track of you. I'm not your father. He doesn't even keep track of you. Never mind.
oh.
Got Jimmy over here all excited like a 13-year-old schoolgirl. That was weak. Do it again. I need another. Alright, one more time and I'll make my decision. Yeah, it sounds good. It sounds so good.
I'm so pumped.
This is my favorite sounding SR.
Now I gotta put that on a switch so it can do that at, you know, I don't know, at people, at stoplights and
What
stuff.
do you mean at people?
At people, just like, you! Is that what kids do? I don't know.
Yeah, have you not seen any other YouTube video? You better take it easy so you don't blow the welds off your intake, kid.
Yeah, yeah. We're gonna calm down. Alright guys, what's up? It's day 2 of LZ's car being stuck in my garage. Now we pulled it in to make some strut tower clearance for his turbo and paint it. Got it done, but the last bits of putting together, it's been kind of a pain in the ass. I got a new throttle body. TPS doesn't want to work.
Alright, release. Every time the minimum voltage changes. It's at 3.2 now. Release.
TPS being a foo-foo.
3.27.
But Donald's here. That bug was really big.
What up?
What was that?
Dude, if you can see it on the thing, the bug was like that big and it had a stinger on it.
Okay. Nice to see you, DJ. Good forth helping Adam. I've been messing with RJ's car. The injector started leaking again. I didn't want to show too much because we've been doing a lot of Miata stuff, but RJ got the right seals this time, the stock Miata seals, and they're perfectly fine. So now I'm just playing with the tune a little bit more to make it idle a little bit nicer, and hopefully rip it on the road pretty soon.
Yeah, we're trying to work over here. Can you no cameras, dude. Seriously, cut that shit.
Not bad.
Cool.
Nice and smooth now. Idle's correct. Got it from the low voltage. idle tuned.
Semi-tuned.
Semi-tuned, yeah. So the downpipe, as you can hear, is hitting the firewall. RJ, you gotta fix that. I did my part.
Yes.
And good night.
Return of the Louis V.
What you doing, Donald?
Just putting some arms on so I can give you your wheels back finally, and then put Drew's Booth House wheels on it. Well, the wheels I got from Drew, but yeah. So yeah, doing that.
I gotta show this because so we've been fighting this for how many hours now?
I've been fighting. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, I've been helping you. Come on.
It sucks. It sucks.
It sucks. Last piece of the damn puzzle is the TPS. It's very important. The car won't run right without it set correctly. We kept setting it, and it kept, every time we'd give anybody gas, throw the whole thing up. Thought the TPS was bad, checked it, it was good. Retrofitted it like 4 different times. Adam decided to take it off one more time and realized.
Yo, so I was about to change back to the old one, and then I'm wiggling the Johnny right here, and the Johnny's not connected
This is what pivots the TPS, by the way, and the whole piece itself was just
It's
loose.
just loose.
That's it. There was just one stupid Allen key that no one saw. We both kind of suck, huh?
Yeah, I mean, you would think that like came tight, you know? Like I wouldn't assume have to go over all the bolts.
Never assume tightness, Adam.
It's true. You never know.
We've been literally trying to figure this TPS out forever. The problem is now, no matter what computer we use, we can't get the software to log at all. Once the car's running, it thinks it's in cranking mode. I know we're gonna call the company and see if we can figure it out. But DJ got the works on. They look pretty good. I'm pretty pumped.
Same when we tried it last time, right? It doesn't look like it.
Yeah. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to camber it to make them fit. But whatever. DJ's into that type of stuff. We're having a hard time with the 32. It just keeps developing this really random boost leak that's causing the idle to just spike out of nowhere. And at this point, we're just kind of going through everything. And sometimes you just don't win. Back to the diag. So we checked.
We checked.
What we checked, Drew?
Throttle body, boost leak test, a lot of vacuum BS. Come here, Jimmy.
Come on.
It might actually be loose.
Intercooler couplers.
All right, guys. So, like I said, it was kind of idle hanging, which means that air was getting into the intake that we weren't accounting for. There's no IX, so we could roll that out. So really, the only thing that could affect the idle right now is if air gets either into the throttle body.
Jesus.
Huge moment. What did we just find out?
I don't know how to use non-swear words to explain this.
So, holding this.
The throttle plate's moving.
So that means the threads on the wheel.
It presses on like it's got like flat spots.
Yeah, it's like kind of splined.
I'm curious to pull this off and see what's
ready?
up with it.
Move the blade for him. Okay.
Why do that?
There goes 7 hours.
2 days. So part of the reason why we're being very stupid. So before, when the TPS was on, this part in here was loose. It came loose from factory. We didn't loosen that. So when you tighten the TPS, it would press up against here, and then the plate wouldn't open and close smoothly. For whatever reason, loosening this nut alleviated a bit of the issue, but it also allowed this to have the free flight.
This makes sense why it only happened when we hit like high boost, because it was probably kind of enough pressure to force the plate open a little bit, and then when we grip the throttle, it'd go away, which is kind of the backlash of vacuum would close it. So there it is. And Justin's here because when we can't figure anything out, we call Justin.
Yay.
Just in case anyone want to pull up, you hear me?
Wrong way?
No, right way. Gotta be more confident. I got the red dot code, what you want?
Alright. So far, so good.
This better work.
Sounds awesome. Alright guys, so Adam's convinced the wastegates are opening a little premature, so we're going to keep an eye on the boost level right now and see if that's actually happening.
Well, we don't know if it's maybe just because of the fact that
it's building more boost earlier.
correct. Sometimes we just watch the number, see what it gets up to. We do third. Watch the FRs.
Holy fuck, I think I built more boost than...
So it just didn't feel clean, and like it kind of it still kind of does weird rev hangy stuff when I come off throttle.
Yeah, it doesn't sound smooth.
kind of scary. I mean, it's drivable now. I can drive home, but for sure, like
It needs a dialing in.
the tune is not correct.
Yeah, it's crazy how a boost leak will cause that much issues.
It's not. If it were a normal boost leak before the throttle body, it wouldn't cause an issue with the car because of the fact that it's mapped. But because it was at the throttle body, that's why it kind of throws everything off.
Go have fun with Adam.
All right, am I taking this?
Yeah.
It's not really. Oh God, can we not film?
Ready? Fuck you, Jimmy. Dude, we got so many good clips from that. So many pulls. Nasty burnout. Good job. Real proud of you. Thanks.
All right, Adam. Good luck. We're gonna get her tuned soon, right?
Huh?
She's driving great. Hits great. Needs a new tune. Why do you look so distraught?
I was just trying to like make
yeah,
people interpolate me.
All right, Adam. Go home.
Jimmy
Go home.
likes
I'll
it.
see you tomorrow. Get out of
Bye,
here. Be safe. Don't get in trouble. All right, so the past 2 days we didn't get much done, but we did get a lot done on Adam's car, so I didn't really film much, but I'm happy his car is all together. Strut tower looks great, paint's great, and it's running great. We just need to dial that tune in now because the boost hits way harder because we eliminated like a ridiculous boost leak on the thing. So besides that, that's it. Hope you guys still like today's video, even though it was kind of all over the place. But crap, that's about it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.